Hello students, next we will start about the uses, or it is also called as the application of this X-ray. In the medical profession, X-rays photography called as radiographs are used to detect fractures of the bone, tuberculosis of lungs, foreign matter like bullets, the formation of bones and stones in the body, right? So when you will go for X-ray, when something if you get severe pain somewhere else, you will go for X-ray. Or if you are fallen down and if your bone is you feel that much of the pain you are not able to tolerate, then the doctor will advise you for going for the X-rays. So what you can detect? You can detect whether the bone has been fractured or what, and also the tuberculosis of the lungs. So if you scan, it is like just a scanning, okay, it's like X-ray. So the rays are passed through our body so that any foreign matter like the bullet which has been inserted in our body, or it may be the formation of the bone. So how the bone formation will be there, whether it is formed in a proper way or not, and also the stones in the body. You will be knowing about the kidney stones, right? You will be talking about kidney stones, gallbladder stones and all. So that you can find out by using this X-ray. This is one of the most important use of this X-ray. And coming to the second point, it's nothing but it is used in treating cancer when surgery is not permissible. So there are certain cases in cancer patients where surgery is not possible. It may be a age factor or the risk factor or some other factors which may not permit them to go for the surgery. In such cases, what they are going to do? They are going to treat this cancer by using X-rays. Cancer tissue is exposed to X-rays for a few minutes every day until it is completely destroyed. So what happens here? Cancer tissues are tissues, a cell, you know that, structural and functional unit of life, okay, and group of cells form a tissue, and this tissues, that is the cancerous tissues, means it's like a lump, okay, it's like a bunch, so which has been formed over. So that cancerous tissue is exposed to X-rays. So if some cancerous tissue is present, then that portion of the body is exposed to X-rays for a few minutes every day. Every day it has to be exposed until it is completely destroyed. The cancerous tissues has to be completely destroyed. Until that they are going to treat with this X-rays. Okay, and next is in industries, they are used to detect faults, cracks, flaws and gas bubbles in finished metal products. They are used to test welding, casting, molds, uniformity of an insulating substance. So in industries also they are using X-rays in order to detect the faults, any cracks or something else, any flaws or unevenness that has been caused during the production can be identified by this X-rays. They are used to test welding, casting, molds, uniformity of the insulating substance. Whatever the substances which you are going to insulate to that metal can be tested by passing the X-rays. This is one of the use. And going to the next one, they are used for the detection of explosives and contraband goods in sealed parcels. They are used for the detection of explosives. So if any explosives has been packed over, or it is a sealed parcel which has been which has to be parceled somewhere else. So if you have any doubts, so that doubt can be clarified. That is nothing but it is able to detect the explosives if it is present in any goods or it is present in any sealed parcels. So that you are going to identify by using this X-rays. And the next is they are used in scientific research such as inspecting the structure of crystals, arrangement of atoms and molecules in complex substances. Okay, these X-rays are used in scientific research field and as inspecting the structure of crystals. Crystal structure is very minute one where the arrangement of atoms are the very smallest particles, right? Such a smallest particles can be their arrangements can be seen through this X-rays and the molecules which are in the complex substance. So with the molecules which are present in the complex substance and also the arrangement of atoms and the structure of the crystals can be identified by using this X-rays. So these are some of the uses or the applications of X-rays. So this is about this lesson.